everyone, Shanley Tenek here. I'm here to talk to you about three oils today. The first one is peppermint, the second one is digize, there you go, and the third one is going to be lavender. So these two are going to be the next two videos and I'll link to them, but right now we're going to start with peppermint. And so peppermint is available in two different sizes, and you're going to be able to get it in the 15 milliliter bottle, and you're also going to be able to get it in the 5 milliliter bottle. So this is about 300 drops and this is about 100 drops. This is the Vitality line, so you want to make sure that if you're applying it internally, which is one of the three ways you can do it, you're going to use the Vitality label, okay? And so the other two ways that you can use it is topically, which creates a cooling sensation, or you can diffuse it, which also creates a nice environment that is cooling and it provides a focused atmosphere. So it has an invigorating aroma that can help create again a focused environment when diffused, and could create a soothing a cooling sensation when applied topically, especially after physical activity. Peppermint is in 72 different products in the Young Living catalog, and one of them is Cool Azul, and it is amazing. It's actually the first ingredient in Cool Azul cream, and it also comes in Cool Azul comes in an oil as well. And so if you're interested in applying it topically after a invigorating workout, you can use this for that, okay? And so that's partially because of the peppermint that you get in it. And so it cools fatigued muscles after physical activity. It produces a focused environment when diffused. It produces a refreshing experience when mixed with your favorite shampoo or when applied to the skin after a warm day in the sun. So this actually would be so great to put inside your shampoo. Imagine how your scalp would tingle and be all, your pores would open up after that. And so the other thing you could do is if you're going to conference, this would be a really great way to utilize peppermint, would be to put it on your little cooling towel. A lot of people have been talking about using those at conference, or on the brim of your hat right here, because then you're also diffusing it aromatically as well as applying it topically to your skin. So that would get two ways for you. And so the suggested uses for this are going to be to diffuse peppermint while working on homework for kids, and that way it creates a focused and energized environment for them. You can also add it to hot bath water and enjoy the revitalizing scent and soothing aromatic steam. And you can inhale it, or again apply it directly to your chest before or during a tough workout for a stimulating scent. And again, the Cool Azul is a great option for that. You can apply it topically to fatigued areas following physical activity for a cooling sensation. So anybody who's going to conference should make sure that they have this in their oils bag, because on your feet at the end of the day, you can apply it on your calves, you could apply it on your back if you're a person that has back issues. So again, there are lots of different ways you can use this topically, diffuser, or orally, but again, remember, orally with the White Vitality line only, okay? So you can get this in the two different sizes, and then also you can get it in the oil sample packs as well. And so I'll link the numbers to those below. And if you have any questions about peppermint and whether or not you might want it in your life, just let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out with that. Thanks. Have a great day.